Today I discuss about how to ASUS laptop. One problem found when install new SSD or hard disk in SSD install. Sometime when Windows install Windows 10 or 11 install, no disk found, no disk driver found. No disk driver found. Go to setup by F2 key. Go to advanced menu. Go to VMD setup. Go to advanced VMD controller. VMD controller enable. Click on VMD controller enable. Now disable this controller and yes, a prompt come, warning prompt come. Click on yes and press F10, save and exit. Now set up Windows normally. And found hard disk or SSD, new SSD. Thank you for watching.